The following video is brought to you by the Xfiro XS2 True Wireless Earbuds. Check out the link in the description and get your very own XS2. Hey, Strange Things Happen in America subscribers, what's up? This surveillance video from an equipment store in Fresno, California shows a man stealing a chainsaw by shoving it into his pants and using his jacket to cover the engine assembly. The man drove off in a silver late 1990s Ram pickup truck. Police are asking anyone who might know or recognize the man in the video to contact authorities. I can't believe this dude really got away with a chainsaw in his pants. So what do you guys think about this crazy guy? Leave me a comment below. Okay guys, thanks for watching and thanks to Xfiro for sponsoring this video. If you want to support this channel, make sure to check out the links in the description and I'll see you next time.